welcome to my channel. So it's Maybe here, and thanks for tuning in. So I'm sharing with you my homemade flatten tea that's helping me reduce the belly fat, melt the belly fat. So to make your flatten tea, all you need is the fennel seeds. Yeah, the fennel seeds are very beneficial to your health. They reduce gas, they help with digestion. Yeah, and ginger. You know, ginger is good for digestion. Yes. Cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, the anise seed. Yeah, these, they also help with bloating. If you get bloated every time you eat your food, this will help you. So yeah, I'll start by dry roasting the fennel seeds just for a few minutes. If you get the fennel seeds powder, it's fine. I have the seeds, so I have to roast them and make the powder myself. Yeah, I think they're ready now. All right, so all you do is take equal amounts of each, like 2 tablespoons of each, into a glass jar. The anise seed powder, cinnamon, and ginger. Mix. So yeah, whenever I want to make the tea, I take 1 teaspoon of the powder, the mixture of the powders, cinnamon, fennel seeds, the star anise, and the ginger. 1 teaspoon of that. I add honey, apple cider vinegar, and hot water to make the tea. Yeah, you can add lemon if you like, but I just add just apple cider vinegar, and it's helping me melt. It's helping me flatten my tummy. Yeah. And if you want quick results, please drink it like twice a day. I drink it twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. Yeah, you can drink it before bedtime.